All right, guys, we are back here. We got a new truck here on the channel. We're getting right to it today. No intro because they told me that's out. You got to get right to the point these days on YouTube. So we got Jake out here, and you got a, what, 2015?
Yep.
Platinum out here, steel body.
Oh, yeah.
She's a beauty, man. How long you had this sucker for?
I've had it since 2020 I bought it.
Did you?
Yep. And then when I bought it, it was lifted and on 40s and the whole 9 yards.
What? Now what's it on over here?
Just 35s.
35s? And what are those, 20s or 22s?
20s.
20s?
I traded my 40s for them, and then I just haven't bought anything new. They're not nice, and
yeah,
they're chipping. But
oh, yeah. I see them in there, but man, I should get some 6s on there and 37s.
Definitely.
Something good. Hit up TIS or JTX or KG1 or American Force. Somebody come through on us. Anyways, yeah, go ahead and walk me around this sucker a little bit because you're kind enough to let us use it on the channel. And just kind of curious, this will be like a starting point of the video here. It is a Platinum. It's debadged or was badged or needs rebadged or something.
I prefer the badges on the bed. The guy I purchased it from took all the badging off, and the only badge left is the tailgate.
Okay.
And then in the seats, it still says Platinum.
Okay, good. Yeah, so the inside is good to go. Yeah, I love the tailgate there. That looks really good with the black and the chrome. The best package they got is black and chrome. It's never failed anybody. Got some, what, big purple tip here. What's going on with this unit?
So that's a custom tip we made back 4 years ago.
Okay. Yeah, so that was...
powder coat's flaking and it needs redone.
Do you have? Is there other purple on the truck or is?
Yeah. So
is there? Okay.
On the inside.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and open it up.
It's a mess.
Tin it out.
But
oh, okay.
The guys before me did all these.
Oh, that's way cool, man. That looks nice. You got the screen in there.
So
the Platinum in the seats. Okay, so the guys can't talk crap in the comments. Oh, what is going on back there? Hold on, sunroof now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Every option but snow plow package.
Okay, and we don't need a plow, you know, to plow things over.
Yeah, no, I hit stuff.
Yeah,
nothing
look at
crazy.
That. I'll go around the other side. Is that open?
Oh yeah.
So you got some speakers going on back there.
Yeah, just some real cheap 15s sitting on the seat. I've had those since I was 16.
What if somebody wants to ride back here?
They just come out.
They
I don't ever have anybody in my backseat, honestly.
Are they wired up for a little boom boom?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so they thump a little.
Oh yeah.
And it's all through the factory radio, which is nice.
Tapped into the factory sub right here. So you just run your line output converter straight to your factory amp.
Very cool, man. Yeah, I really like the interior. Headliner's all black. It's literally blacked out.
Yeah.
Looks super good, man.
I apologize, it's a mess.
Wood grain. Yeah, but we can clean it up a little bit. Dang, even the rear seats are heated in this unit? No way.
That's like I say, it needs cleaned up for my trip real bad, but it's
yeah, this is a unit. Okay, you got the edge. Is that the 3?
Yep.
Man, you got money. You got money?
No. No.
Yeah, we won't tell the boss, but yeah, this thing does take it for sure. You were gonna get rid of it, weren't you?
I was.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't because now we got it on here, and you can't be a diesel mechanic and not have a diesel. I hate to say it, bud, but what do we got going on under here then?
Nothing crazy, just a couple of
Absolute Performance. I've never even heard of that.
Yeah, they're not in business anymore to my knowledge.
Okay, yeah, and we got a new we got some stuff coming for this. If you guys want to guess what color we're gonna go with,
it's a good one.
Yeah, it is a good one, and I don't think I would have guessed the color you went with, which is pretty freaking cool. So you guys make sure you stick around for that. But yeah, go ahead and tell me what's got going on under here currently.
Nothing. It's Mishimoto cold air intake or charged air cooler. That's about it. Dorman metal charge pipe, so that way it doesn't blow up on me going down the interstate whenever I take it on a trip or anything. Absolute Performance, and then it's got just a really, really, really hot 230 tune on it.
Yeah, nothing going on with that. I'm sure that's all stock, so that's good. Any major problems with it, or?
No, the only major problem I've ever really had is you can't see it, but down underneath the intake, there's a coolant crossover.
Yeah.
That leaked on me, and that was about it. That's the only real
What are some of the major things with these 6.7s? I don't know too much about them, but things to watch out for.
Definitely the CP4.
Yeah, so same with the LMLs, huh?
Yeah. And
anything with that pump.
Yeah, and really, to me, that's really the only bad thing.
Yeah, the transmission's good in it?
They're all right. They're pretty stout, as long as you're not too rowdy to them.
Yeah. Do you have to fix many of them down here, or?
We get a couple, but a lot of times it's 18, 19-year-old kids that can't keep their foot out of it.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, I got you for sure. So what would kind of be like your dream build per se on something like this? Well, if you had unlimited funds, I guess.
Unlimited funds?
Limited, I mean,
well,
somewhat limited, but you know, attainable, I guess is the word.
I keep eyeing down, there's a company called Hutch's Welding, and they make a full air ride kit for the truck.
Dang.
And so I want to get one of those eventually, but you know, that's about $12,000, so.
Oh, pocket change, I'm sure.
Oh, something like that.
Yeah, what else would you do?
Not much.
New set of wheels. Got the B&W hitch, so you got the gooseneck set up in there.
Yeah, the pin's froze up right now, but
it'll come loose.
Just needs a little grease.
Rear slider. Different third brake light, or?
Yeah, it's got a Go Recon and then stock taillights.
Yep. Yeah, we need some. What are the good ones? Alpha Rexes?
Oh, yeah.
That's what's in right now. Alpha Rex, hit us up.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, she is a super unit. I love it. Everybody loves a good Platinum. It's always going to be cool. It's never not going to be cool, you know?
You know, it kept me up at night getting rid of it, and I can't get rid of it.
Do you want to tell them what you were going to trade it for?
That's probably a shun. People would. People are going to.
Yeah, you had some rough ideas.
I was gonna get a Maverick. I really like the new Ford Mavericks. I live 5 miles away from work, so can't really. Oh, yep, I'm getting yelled at.
Yeah,
there he is. What?
He's coming
both
back.
Tickets are done. Done.
Yeah. All right, so we're all set now. We got to get rolling, buddy. All right, thank you.
All right. So as you can see, we already have the alternator off. I didn't get a video of it coming apart, but it's seeping pretty good right down here at the bottom in this area. So we gotta get that changed out. All right, got the water pump all cleaned up, ready to put the new one on. You can snip this part out if you want. I just think it's kind of funny, so I'm putting it in here. But got a Gates water pump. This one has the metal impeller. Factory one has the plastic impeller upgrades. Not really, but Gates water pump going in. Alright, new water pump's in, all that's cleaned up. I had a vacuum pump leak and then I was just a lazy piece of work and didn't clean it up. So went in and got all of it cleaned up with some fancy tools. I mean, just went ahead and used some brake clean and some blow gun.
Sorry about that, guys. Jake had to run, get back to work, have stuff going on. Everybody's busy, you know, these days. So again, here is the 2015 Platinum Powerstroke. What do you guys think of this unit? I freaking love it. Thanks again to Jake for letting us use it here on the channel. Make sure you guys do stick around. Comment below your favorite thing about these trucks and what your dream setup with this setup would be and what you want to see on the channel. We can't thank you guys enough. God bless you all. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.